Jog! Jog! Film what to do. And efficiently, and most of all, in a safely manner.
No, we're not. It's tug of war time. 2.5 ton excavator. Whoever wins out of the end of the day wins 10k cash. Woo!
I saw a bunch of green.
Somebody once told me the word.
On your mark. Get set. Go out! Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man. This thing is always going flat. I reckon it's about time we organise another battery for it, don't you reckon? You know what they say, Maxi? If it's not one battery, it's another. There's plenty of batteries out in the sea.
Jog! Jog!
What?
Come on, mate, you got some filming to do.
Sunday, mate.
Doesn't matter, mate. Let's get it done. Hurry up.
Alright, let's go. Alright. Nah, mate, I won't be able to come in today. Nah, I'm sick. Hang on, I might lose you. I'm just going down the lift. Nah, I've got a flat tyre as well, and yeah, nah, just not feeling well. Plus it's raining. What? Sorry, buddy.
Hey guys, welcome to our new episode. Today we're going to show you how to safely operate machines nice and efficiently, and most of all in a safely manner.
No, we're not. It's tug of war time. We're going to do truck versus wheel, diesel versus diesel, excavator versus excavator, truck versus truck. Put your bets on, stay tuned, let's see how we go. Alright, so we've got the John Deere tractor. She's a beauty, she's an oldie, but she still goes. We've got the quad bike, four-wheeler. We've got the Husky mower, the PT30, she's an old one, 3,000 hours. We've got VT70, the bigger Posy truck, 1.7 excavator, 2.5 ton excavator, 5.5 ton excavator, 13 ton Kobelco, Triton, and the Fuso truck. That's it. Here's our lineup of all the machines. What machine do you think is going to win? Max?
I reckon the tractor's going to win.
I reckon the 13 ton's going to win.
Well, let me put it this way. Whoever wins out of the end of the day wins 10k cash. Woo!
Let's go.
Stay tuned to find out. All right, you sneaky mongooses. These are the two machines we're going to use, the quad bike and the ride-on lawnmower. I don't know which one's going to win. You choose, comment below. And the rules are, the person that wins goes on to the next machine. Come on guys, let's go see how it goes.
Meanwhile,
What did you do?
You don't want to know what happened.
What happened?
The can blew up.
It blew up.
It blew up.
Where did you pat it?
It's in my lap. Seriously. What the man?
You want some more?
When it happened, I just froze. Oh my god, my face covered?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, I swallowed half of it.
That'll come off.
Yeah, this stuff comes off.
Can you see- What's the time?
Don't know.
Tape time.
Fuck,
Look
yeah.
over there, I saw a bunch of green.
somebody once told me the word.
Oompa, loompa, oompity-dee. Hey Shrek, you ready?
Ready?
Maxie, you ready? On your mark, get set, go out! Come on. Yeah!
Technical glitch.
Technical glitch. Alright, let's go again. On your mark. Get set. Go on! Alright, technically the four-wheel drive quad bike actually did win, so max fair effort, but quad bike to the next one. Bring on the next one, Maxie.
The green machine for the win.
Alright, we'll hook this up to the tow ball. I'm definitely placing my bets on the Posse track for sure. Safety first. Don't try this at home. On your mark. Get set. Come on! Well, put up the hole. We'll take this off. Get the next one. Alright, that was a clear winner for the PT30, Maxie. You did well. Let's get the next one.
I'm back, baby.
I'm back.
I'll make you a fair deal, mate. If you win this one, I'll buy you a Palmer a pot.
Palmer a pot. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh. I seriously thought the jump was going to go. Winner! Chicken dinner! What's next, boys? Hey, Maxie. Obviously, that was a clear-cut win for Hulk over here. You're ready to come next, mate. 1.7, you're up. Yeah! Yep! Oh! 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 Yep. We'll just get a jacket, just because obviously we got bigger machines and we don't want the strap to break. And if the strap does break, at least if we have a jacket in the middle, it won't fling up to the operator. Safety first. And remember, don't try this at home. Alright, Max, I don't know if you got much hope, but look, the only thing on your side right now is the wind. Going that way. You ready? Are you ready? On your marks? Get set. Go! Oh, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh, God, he's holding, he's holding! No way! No way! Just it! Come on, boys, get it over here! Slack off a little bit. Yeah, he was actually struggling. Oh, round two. On your mark, go! He's getting there, come on! Whack the horse! Whack the horse! Dilly! Hulk's gonna have it! He's gonna have it! He's got it! Yeah! Woo! Oh no! He's done! He's done! He's done! He's done! Another one bites the dust. Maxie, the 2.5. Bring it up. You wouldn't believe it. The battery's dead again. You having fun, Nick?
Bit green, but other than that, mate, it's always fun. Get to play around on your machines, destroy your machines. Always fun.
Yeah, that's it. Look, they are my machines.
That's how drive it like you stole it.
Hey, Nick.
Yeah, mate.
It's Christmas time coming up, mate.
Yeah, you tell me. I feel like the Grinch, not you.
What machine do you reckon's going to win next?
The Excavator, mate.
The
Clear
Excavator.
advantage. Only because, one, it's dry.
Yeah.
If it was wet, I'd say this had a chance.
Yeah.
But these don't have the cooling power, where the excavators do.
Yep.
Plus, you get the sneaky bucket to pull you if you ever need that extra help.
Yeah, very true, very true.
But with that, I don't reckon Maxie will know how to use that. Let's see. I can't wait to win this 10 grand, you know that?
Why?
It's going to be all mine, mate. All mine.
Tell you what, it's a windy day. And, oh look, he's on the phone.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, pack your bag, honey, because I think I've won 10 grand at work.
He reckons he's going to win this,
No, we're playing
this
like
car.
a game at work with machines and stuff. So, and Josh is giving 10 grand to the winner, and I reckon I've got the right pick there. So, yeah, It's an easy 10 grand coming our way. No, I'm not kidding. I'm being serious. Yeah. I'm telling you, I reckon I've got 10 grand. So, yeah. Yep. All right.
No
See ya.
chance.
Love
He
you.
doesn't
Bye.
know what's got in stock for him.
What's up?
Huh?
What's up?
Who are you calling?
Just the missus, mate, letting her know that get her bags ready.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, mate, your hair looks good in the wind. You know what I tell you that? Looks like a pair of wings flapping. You all right, mate?
Oh, no way. 2.5, we've got it. I reckon he's going to get it. Come on. Come on, Matt. Matthew, come on, you let me down. Oh, no. He's won. Go on, Max, jump off. I'll show you how it's done. I'll give it a crack.
Have a look at that. That 10 grand, that's still mine.